Today I'm going to show you how to replace rotted door frames. First, you want to start by chipping out all the rotted wood. Make sure you chip all this out. You can use a screwdriver, any kind of sharp tool, but a screwdriver works good. You just want to clean out all that rotted wood just to make sure you get it all out. Next thing you want to do is cut out all those sections of rotted wood with a multi-tool. All I did was made a straight line above all the rotted wood that I wanted to cut out. Then I got a new blade on the multi-tool to make it sharp. And then I just cut it all out. You can use a screwdriver or a prop bar to pull that rotted piece out. As you can see, this piece was rotted out pretty bad. So then you want to just clean out all of the remaining debris out of that cut area. Clean it up real good, make sure it looks real nice for your next piece of wood. Next thing you're going to do is measure your opening. You want to measure the width, the height, and the depth. You want to make sure that your new wood is the same size as this opening to make it a smooth transition. Next thing you want to do is cut the replacement wood. Again, make sure this wood is the exact same size because you will run into problems. The problems I ran into on this job was I had to cut 2 of these pieces to get the thickness that I wanted. I had to cut 2 of these and add both of them. Next thing you want to do is add your new piece of wood to the opening. When you add it, make sure you might have to hammer it in a little bit just to get it to that perfect fit. But make sure that you brad nail it in. Once your piece is in, make sure you attach it with 2-inch brad nails. Next thing you want to do is caulk your cracks and seams. Just make sure you caulk all of those open spaces so no more water will get in. Then you want to crack your seam as well. And just rub your finger up the caulk to make it nice and smooth. And the caulk I'm using is specifically for baseboards, trims, windows, things of that nature. Next thing you want to do is paint it with the matching color. This is the last step. Just make sure you paint all those areas, paint it real good. You might need more than 1 coat if possible, just to get a nice blend. But yeah, just paint this area and then that'll be your last step and you'll be good to go. And this is the final result. Thank y'all for watching.